Welcome to my channel. We about to get lit. Don't forget to double tap, like my pic. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. Popping out glitter. Come to my channel. Got the mug books. Got the get ready. Chit chat story time. Like my pic. Comment, subscribe, share, follow. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Tell each other anything. T. What's up, my candy cows? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm just playing. So we about to get into basically right here. I have my wig just parted in two halves because I detangle it. I flat iron the back half so you guys could see what I was trying to do. The only reason why I flat iron it is because I want a different curl pattern. You don't have to do that, but that's just my method. I'm just detangling the top part so you guys can see right here. This is just water and conditioner, any type of conditioner you want to use. And then I also use petroleum jelly. I find it that when you use that on your hair units, for your synthetic and human hair blend, I find it that it actually makes the hair nice and thin. And when you flat iron, it gives it a nice little smooth like feel. And like I said, I just flat iron my hair. So when I do curls, I have like different curl patterns I could do and achieve and stuff. So that's all. And right here, I already have it wrapped up. And I'm going to wrap it in foil. I did 4 sections because I kind of wanted the curls to be loose, not too like tight. Touched up my makeup and I did my edges. I'm about to grab my Gots to Be Glue Free spray, spray it on my wig and spray it on my edges as well. I made something with my weaving super bong glue and my granilla snot. I mixed it together to make another little, like, type of gel that could hold my wig. And as you see, I placed the wig on. And it does actually holds the wig. It does not take my edges out or anything. So, yeah. And I just tie it down, wait for a little bit, take the foil out my hair, and yes, I'm gonna pull the curls apart, and that's just basically how I do this hairstyle or how I style my wig. And oh yeah, I'm gonna actually get some of the hair and swoop it in the front. I like swoops, but honestly, it's nothing major. Nothing special, but if you did wanted to figure out how you could curl your hair units, and stuff, there you go. So I hope you guys like it. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. And yes, that is braiding hair. And as you can see, the braiding hair, it flat iron perfectly well. So 2021 is glow season. We always winning. One day you stand in the middle of the road and you don't know where you're going. All of a sudden your whole life changes. Life finally gives you something bad.